Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1970 Camaro. This one here has a 400 under the hood with all the AC options. Compressor and stuff was kicking on, but the air was not actually getting cold. It does have power steering, disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. What we're going to be doing today is taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws, and checking her out, see how she runs and drives. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. You can also go to maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. It also includes all of our inventory on the lot. We update that once a week, every Monday. Keep y'all informed and updated. All right, guys. I'm gonna shut this hood because it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Checking out the interior before we take off, go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? This one's showing 94,000 miles on the dash. It's hard to stand behind that Benz. It's a 70 model. Looking across the dash, nice and clean. It's not all tore up. Same with the console. Interior's not in bad shape. Looks like they kind of painted on the panels. It'd almost be worth just getting some new panels or redoing those. Package tray's in good shape, and the headliner is not bad. I mean, a little yellowed from the years, but let's go ahead and start this thing up. She's still cold right now. Temperature gauge is right at 100. I'm gonna let her warm up a second. Go ahead and try the horn. Horn works on this one. Windshield wipers work on this one as well. Look like they're kind of slow. Blower motor. See, the compressor's kicking on. It's pulling the motor down. And it's blowing right here. We'll leave it on because it's nice and hot. If you can see a sweat up on my arm. Very, very humid here in Tennessee. And any air is better than none, so. All right, guys, I'm gonna let it warm up for a second, and then we're gonna take off down the road. All right, I got my seatbelt on, got y'all in the window. Anything that I see that this car may need, I will point out. I don't want you getting here and be like, oh, I didn't see that in the video. We're gonna try to go over everything. That's why I do 2 videos when we do the test drives. Be shifting out nice and smooth. Suspension's a little bit bumpy on this one. Not bad though. Speedometer's coming up, but it is definitely off by at least 10 miles an hour. It's saying we're going 55 right now. I feel like we're doing more about 45. It's so hot I can't tell if that's cool or not. It just feels good that it's blowing in here. So. Engine temp is up. It's running at 180. Not hooked up on this one. Turn signals are popping up on the dash on both sides. Car is pulling pretty strong. It feels good going down the road. So engine temp still at 180. Just try and check everything over here. Steering feels good on this car as well. It's not pulling to the left or right, and it's turning instantly. So it's nice and tight. It's like turning butter. You barely have to try. The exhaust sounds killer on this car. Get some outside shots, drive by the camera, let y'all hear what it sounds like from the outside. I got all my equipment down below in the description. If you want to buy any of it, it's on Amazon. I just gave you the links that I use to buy mine. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna get these outside shots. guys, got y'all back in the driver's seat here. We're gonna go ahead and take off. Keep on heading down the road. Try to let some of this traffic get ahead of us so we can get to cruising. Well, this car feels and drives pretty good. I mean, it's nice and sound. The engine temps stay. It got up to around 200 when we were going through the parking lot back there, driving past the camera and getting all the outside shots. And it was just sitting there for about 10-15 minutes. And then I was just racing by the camera. But that was about the only reason it did that. This is the road that's got the big speed bump on it. So we're gonna hit that. It shouldn't have any issues here. Bumps right here in the road. A little bit bumpier on this one, and it sounded like you can hear some noise rattling in the trunk. That's why I hit that speed bump. Some cars are better than others. Like I said, if you go back and listen, you can listen to that bump and hear the rattle in the trunk. And the suspension, I believe this one's been lowered a little bit, so. Of course, my car lot's right over here, so I'm just gonna cut through here. That guy's still sitting over here. All right. Old Brian's Motorsports over here. If you haven't checked him out, definitely do so. He can do wheels, tires, parts, custom consoles, pretty much build anything customized for your car. He's right next door to us, basically like families. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. All right, guys, if you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. I got close to 100 detailed pictures of this car. I've also got financing options and shipping options on that website, along with all of our inventory. We update every week. Usually, if you go ahead and get pre-approved, we post on Mondays. You see something you like, you see the kind of caliber of cars that we get in all the time through all of these videos we've been posting, and that's why most of them go on hold pretty quickly. It used to not be like that, but it's grown into that here lately, so you have the same options. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like my videos. I'll try to help you out the best I can. Give us a call, 615-822-4444. Y'all have a good one.